this video, I will be showing you the universal viewing feature in the messages section of Lawft. Universal viewing allows you to view all messages that have been exchanged, regardless of if you are included on the thread or not. This is an important feature if you are a primary staff member on the case and the client doesn't include you, or if you are a supervisor and want to ensure there are no unanswered client messages. There are two ways to see if you are included on a message thread. Beginning in the messages section of the portal, you can see that we have a few messages that have been exchanged. One way to see if you are included on the message thread or not is to come to the right side of the screen and you can see mark as read. If I hover over this, you'll see that little window that pops up to tell me I'm not a part of that thread. The other way to see if you are a part of the thread is to open the message and look at the users at the top. You can see there's a conversation between this attorney and the client, but I am not on it. What if there is a message that you need to respond to that you're not on? You can see in the bottom right over here, there's a blue button that says add. When you hover over that button, it says add myself to this conversation. Click that button and it will notify every person in that thread that you have been added, and you should be able to start responding to the client.